learn how to safely drive into and reverse out of a parking bay on the left. The key points are: making the choice to drive in, driving in safely, and leaving the parking bay. Making the choice to drive in. Reversing into bays will often be easier and safer than driving in and reversing out. However, there will be times when driving in is appropriate. For example, if you need access to the boot when parking against a wall or in a car park where there is not a lot of space. Driving in safely. Entering a parking bay on the left is similar to turning left into a side road. However, the space is much narrower, and so you will have to swing out to line up with the bay. When the space around you is clear, move across to the right in order to get enough space to steer into the bay. Be prepared to give way to any vehicles that are coming towards you or who might try to pass on your left. Here the driver signals left to inform others of his intended actions. Keep looking all around as you steer in. Aim for the centre of the bay and drive in slowly using clutch control. Secure the car with the handbrake. In very tight spaces, you might need to shunt back and forwards to line up with the bay. If this is the case, make sure that you take full precautions before reversing. You must be aware of what is happening all around the car. Leaving the parking bay. Keep a constant lookout for pedestrians, especially small children who might be hard to see. Here, the driver waits until the pedestrian is clear of his car before starting to reverse. Car parks can be hazardous, with moving vehicles and pedestrians in close proximity. You must always be prepared to give way to other vehicles, waiting for them to pass if necessary, before you start to reverse. While you will have to look behind to see where you are going, you need to make frequent glances to the front and sides to make sure it is safe to continue, pausing if necessary as you glance around. Here the driver stops to look around when about halfway out of the bay. Remember, you must always be prepared to give way to pedestrians and other car park users. Car park security. Finally, when parking in car parks, always lock your car and make sure any valuables are out of sight when leaving your car unattended.